Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Alright, so tell me, Haley, what's going on with your jaw?
So it's just in a lot of pain all the time, basically. I get like throbbing sensations, limited range of motion. It's hard to chew stuff.
How long has this been going on?
Over 3 years.
3 years. So what happened to cause this issue?
I was just going through a really stressful time in my life. Basically.
So can you describe the symptoms, like how much pain from 0 to 10? What kind of pain?
Like I told you earlier, low is probably like 6, and sometimes it goes up to like 9. Right now it's probably like in 7 or 8.
Okay. Is the pain comes and goes, or that's a constant?
It's a constant thing, like from when I wake up to when I go to sleep.
Okay, so it's been constant the last 3 years.
Yeah.
And the constant 6, but sometimes it goes up. What make it goes up, and how much it goes up?
Chewing crunchy foods.
Okay.
Like when I'm really tired.
Okay.
Stressful situations. Yeah.
Do you have any other symptoms like headaches or migraines or anything?
I get migraines every day.
Okay.
They're like throbbing.
Where do you feel it, and what kind of symptoms of migraine?
I feel it from like here to here, and it kind of just like wraps around my head, and then I just get like pulsing and stuff.
Do you feel pressure behind your eyes?
Yes.
Light sensitivity or noise
Light sensitivity, no noise sensitivity.
Okay, nauseous, dizzy, blurry vision?
Dizzy and blurry vision for sure, not so much nauseous though.
So is this headache came the same time you had the TMJ, or happened later?
It happened later, like probably like 2 years later, where I got the migraines every day.
2 years later?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other symptoms, neck issue?
Neck issues, shoulder issues.
How much pain, and when did you start to have the neck issue?
The neck I've had for probably over a year.
Okay.
It's pretty painful right now, like an 8. It gets really bad when I wake up, like after I'm done sleeping.
When you wake up, it's like your neck, your headache, your jaw start to act out.
Yeah, and then my shoulders, like the back of my shoulders.
Okay. So what's difficult for you to do for your neck? Turn,
I can't really. It's like kind of. And then I can't, this is like the hardest
thing. That's very tight.
Yeah. And then this is like whatever, like I can go down, but it's like up I can't really.
You can't. Okay, any other symptoms?
Tremors, like we talked about, just like shaking in my body. I get like pulses in my body.
But you had the MRI and
everything's fine. So I think it's just all like connected to my jaw.
Yeah,
because it all started after
your jaw.
Yeah.
So can you tell me, like in the last 3 years, what kind of treatment you had for your jaw, for your headache?
I've done acupuncture, physical therapy, Botox, surgery on my jaw.
What kind of surgery on your jaw?
Arthroscopy.
So they went to both sides?
And and they tried to flush it out with, I don't know what, but...
Just clean it out.
Yeah, just clean it out, the scar tissue and stuff. And then...
Did anything help?
Like, temporarily. Like, acupuncture helps me, but it's for like a week and then I have to go back. The Botox helped me the first time for like a month, and then the last 2, it kind of I didn't feel any difference.
So there was no long term.
Yeah.
Did you have any other treatment than PT, Botox?
And then, Botox I had, and then
massage.
I have a night guard, so I see the dentist. But it doesn't, it doesn't make anything worse, but it doesn't really make anything better. So.
And let me know, where do you feel the pain in your jaw? Is it in the joint itself, or
the joint, and then it goes down to like this muscle right here.
Okay. Alright, so it's open. You're gonna actually
this way? Alright.
Okay, you see that? So that's like 27 degrees. Right. So how long has been limited?
Probably over like a year.
Over a year?
Yeah.
Okay. So I will have you lie on your back here. And your
head here?
Yeah. Your headache is how much is now? And where?
Right now, I just have a headache on like right
Yeah.
here.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's like a 6 right now.
And did you have any accidents?
I fell on my face like last September
Where did you hit your face?
on this part, like my cheekbone area.
In this area?
Yeah,
Okay.
to like my jaw kind of.
Did you have any other accident that you had trauma to your head or hit to your head?
No.
Okay. And tell mom if you feel pain, okay?
Okay.
And do not bite, okay?
Okay.
Can your mouth close? You really have time. It's too much or it's okay?
It's okay.
You feel this tightness here?
Mm-hmm.
So the arthroscopic was like just here. They did really a good job. You cannot even tell anything.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, it's good. So they did it on both sides. Mm-hmm. If it's too much. You feel that tightness?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's really a lot of fascia tightness, really. Yeah. How does it feel?
It hurts.
Make sure you tell me, okay?
Okay, but like, I mean, it's gonna hurt anyways, I feel like.
No, I want to make sure it's not painful, okay?
Okay.
Because I don't want to cause more inflammation or tightness.
Okay.
So when you feel pain, just stomach.
Okay.
Okay. Close. And relax. Close. Let me know if it's too much, okay?
Feel pain right here now.
Okay.
It's a little too much.
Sorry. How's that now?
It's still kind of hurts,
Make
honestly.
sure you tell me, okay?
No, I'm saying
I
like
cannot read your
it hurts.
mind.
It hurts from before.
So
like the
the
massage.
as long as you, because you came with the constant pain, as long as that constant pain does not go up, that's fine.
Okay.
But if it goes up, that's not fine. Make sure you come.
Yeah, I went up a little bit on this
Okay.
side.
So make sure you let me.
It's
that's fine.
better than
Okay.
it was.
Are you wearing contact?
No.
Let me know if it's too much. Okay. The neck is going down to your shoulder. Which
Mhm.
one?
My right side mainly.
So right side mostly. Okay. Make sure it's not painful. How does this feel?
That's okay.
It's very common with the TMJ. You get headaches, neck pain.
Mhm.
That's usually compensation. Is it too much?
No, it's okay.
Yes. You're very tight. Okay. Tinder here?
Mhm.
Here?
Mhm.
You feel this here?
Yeah.
How does it feel?
It's okay.
You feel this bump here?
Yeah.
That's a scar tissue. Feel that here?
Mm-hmm.
Scar tissue.
Sorry.
That's here. And here. You feel that here?
Mm-hmm. Is that all scar tissue?
Yeah, it should feel like nice and smooth. Let me show you here, okay? Feel how nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is.
Well, I've noticed like these bumps right here for like a really long time.
Yeah, that's. You build the scar tissue because you clench in your teeth.
Mm-hmm.
So think about this way: you are in the gym doing bicep curl for like 8 hours. You're gonna get tear in the muscle.
Yeah.
The normal healing process, your body has to build a scar tissue to heal itself. But doing that on like daily basis, so you build excessive scar tissue here. Is that too much? It's okay. In those bumps, yeah, it's very common with clenching, grinding.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's actually feel more scar tissue on the right side
Really?
than the left side. A little bit thicker. Okay.
Feels better. The pressure behind my eyes feels better.
Is it gone or you still feel it? Let's drink more water.
I'm trying to tell. I don't know. Because usually when I like feel it, like I press it, I like feel like pulsing.
Mm-hmm. What about now?
Kind of feel on my right side a little bit, but not on my left side.
Not on your left side?
Yeah.
What about your jaw? The constant pain.
I mean, it does feel better actually. It's just I think it's like heat from all the
Heat is
stuff
normal. That's why
going
I
on.
want to
Yeah.
flush out. Because when I release scar tissue that's released toxin in the product, it's a good sign. It's normal. You're gonna feel heat. That's normal, and you will feel like the blood starts to rush to that area.
That's definitely happening.
Yeah, but yeah, that's why we try to cool it down with water. Okay, let's set up for me. And originally it was 27. Let's see how much is now. Okay. All right, that's a 32.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
32 of 27. That's not bad.
That's
5 degrees.
good.
5 degrees. That's awesome. So, what do you think about the treatment?
Yeah.
Am I talking now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think it was really good.
Can you tell a difference?
Yeah, definitely tell a difference.
Mhm.
Feels a lot smoother, like my muscles and stuff.
What about the headache?
Headache's gone right now. Yeah, opening is a lot better. So.
Yeah. Awesome. I'm
Yeah.
glad you're feeling better. Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.